Hi, this is needlepointers.com, and today I'd like to share this project with you that I made recently. This is a charm square quilt that I made. I had a pack of charm squares of this Minion fabric, and then I had a few yards of the fabric. And so for this quilt, I put together 4 charm squares, and then I paired it with alternating blocks with a solid fabric. I also purchased this fabric that resembles denim because I thought that would go well with the minions. And I use that same fabric on the back for the backing, and I used some other minion fabric that I had for the binding and just a solid orange for a little bit, this little faux piping. Our Quilt Guild this year is doing a charity project where we are donating quilts to children and babies who are in the foster care system. These quilts will be donated to an organization called Comfort Cases. The owner of the organization, Comfort Cases, was in foster care himself growing up, and he did not have a bag to carry his stuff in. So when he would have to move from one house to another, they would put all his belongings in a trash bag. And he feels that every child should at least have a bag and a blanket or something of their own that they can take with them when they have to move from house to house. If you'd like to find out more about Comfort Cases, we'll have a link on our website to their website so you can learn more about this organization. So this quilt is a kid-size quilt. I made mine a little bit bigger. Some of the members of the guild are making baby-size quilts for babies and like crib-size quilts. This one, I had this Minion fabric already, so I decided to make a kid-size quilt with it. So here's the whole Minion quilt. You can see. The finished size of the quilt is 46 inches by about 61.5 inches. I had 2 packs of charm squares, which were used to make these blocks. And then I had a yard of this fabric here, which I cut to make the bigger blocks. I also had a yard of this fabric, which I used on the binding there, as you can see. I also used it in the center of the back here to add a little bit of interest to the center. This quilt would be perfect for using up any charm square packs that you have, although to make it in this size you would need 2 packs of charm squares, or you would need to be able to cut yardage down into the charm square size, which charm squares are 5 inches by 5 inches. If you'd like to see a full written and photo tutorial on how to make this quilt, please click the iCard or the link in the description of the video. It will take you to our website, needlepointers.com, where we'll have the full tutorial of this project. I wasn't able to make a full video tutorial for this project because I worked on it while we were at a quilting retreat. So I can't video at the retreats. So I hope you like this project and consider making a charm pack quilt for yourself. You can always make this quilt larger by adding more squares or charm packs, or even bigger borders. You could even just add a couple extra borders around the edge and make it larger. So it's a very flexible pattern and can be made in many sizes. We hope you enjoyed seeing this project that I made and consider making a charm pack quilt for yourself. Please visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of other quilting tutorials.